has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Greenington County, northeastern Robloxia County, west central Tigor County, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a large and destructive tornado was located near Ellie, or 14 miles west of Canton, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Canton. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, train weather spotters. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Canton. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties: Greenington, Robloxia, and Tigora.